What up, guys? It's your boy Jay Reed for Jay Reed's Love of Cars. We are headed out to Texas 2K. It's a beautiful Sunday. It's Eliminations Day around 11-12, so I'll still catch a lot of it. It's either I go out and enjoy myself on this beautiful day, 81 degrees, probably be a little bit hotter later, or I'm going to sit around the house and do nothing but work. Work. I rarely ever get to enjoy myself. So today, we, as in me and you, we're going out to Texas 2K, check out some eliminations, see what we see. I'll catch you when I get there. All right, so we just made it out here, and as you can see, man, it is packed. It is packed like it would be MPK, like an MPK event. Luckily, the traffic is moving, but I'm gonna have to walk a long ass ways to get to the gate, and I hope I can pay with a credit card. For real though. Okay guys, so check it out. So today I'm gonna show you Texas 2K like you probably ain't seen it. In other words, everybody shows the races. You'll see the races a million times, but nobody really show you the pits. So we're gonna walk through the pits and look at some cars. But in the meantime, look at this C6 right in front of me. Yeah. Oh my God. So the first thing we see here is this nasty C7Z06. You know it's got turbo on it because look at the exhaust. Man, you see some of the funkiest cars out here. This is the type of car that I want, but will probably never have because I don't have no use for it. It's clean. It's clean as a whistle. Now, you know, if I'm coming out to an event like this, we are going to be recording some C6 Corvettes, and primarily C6 Corvettes. This is probably one of the funkiest ones here. Now, this Pagani is no C6 Corvette, but damn, look at how nasty that thing is. Total carbon fiber. It's just straight up exquisite. Now, obviously, we had to stop by Cletus McFarland Pits. Man, look at the line just to take a picture with him. And if you look over in the corner, he got a bodyguard. I guess that is a hired Texas police officer. Maybe looks like a trooper. I don't know who he is, or a sheriff. People love this fella. Next up, we got a little bit of drag racing, but not much. See, this is another reason why it's hard to record drag racing, because you never know when you're going to get a good run. There was hardly any good runs. Nobody could leave at the same time or something broke. And this was eliminations, not qualifiers. Now this C6 Grand Sport, it was so stank. It was so stank. I don't know how much power it could have made because that looked like a TI supercharger. But notice how he had the stock radiator. I wanted to ask him how was the cooling setup on that, because that is a stock C6 radiator on that bad boy. Now, I don't know if this one hit the track, but I had to get some video of it just because of how clean it was. And it looked nasty. It had no bed on it, had the dope interior, you name it. It was funky. And then, of course, sitting next to it was the Drift C6NA. Man, I just love looking at these bills. Look at that angle kit on that bad boy. Man. And the thing about race cars, they ain't necessarily the cleanest or whatever, but it's the bill that be amazing. There's no telling how much this make, but if I had to guess, probably about 600 to 530. I don't know. I'm just making this up. Then here we go, we have Summit. They came out with a splat down I don't know what little truck this is, but it is clean. Shout out to Summit. They local anyway. I love going to that warehouse. That's where I get a lot of stuff. Order it online, especially tires. Order them online, then go pick them up. It's tremendous. Look at the width. Slicky slicks. Turbiskis. Y'all know we got another nasty C6 coming up. Z06 with the fatties on the rear, 15-inch convertible roll kit. What dreams are made of. This is a nice simple build. The hood is down, so I don't know what's underneath that, but it looks very simple and fast. Now this is a better shot, a little bit more detailed visual of the one I did earlier. Stank foot. I need a wrap to crack it. Oh, this is so clean. Look how low that front end is. And of course, y'all know who this is with the personal bodyguard standing over there. Up next, we find another animal in the wild. I don't know which one I want to look at first. That stank Lambo or that stank C7 Z06. I guess that's a Z06. It's got the wide body kit. It's got street tires on it. Some telling me it was just there for display. And then we run into the LG Motorsports C6 Corvette with the big body turbo on it. This just goes to show you how popular the C6 platform still is today. You've seen numerous C6 cars out here, more than you've seen C7s, to be honest with you. And I recorded every one that I saw. This is nasty. Nasty. It's got that a Z06 still. That ain't look like no Z06. Interior. See, those are the seats that I had planned on getting for mine, the Kirky. Still might, but just not right now. Let's take a minute to enjoy this bad boy.
Joseph Cortez and Lou Iacopelli come up next. We're talking about a couple of drivers from opposite ends of the United States. Left side is
now y'all know I still had to show some Mustang love. Look at this Cobra. It was nasty, I ain't gonna lie. These are nasty. But they still just don't do the same thing that the C6 Corvette or even the C7 Corvette does for me. This is another nasty because I'm still on the fence about whether or not I want to try out the platform. Boy, I tell you though, that Coyote looks funky up in there. It look heavy too. I don't know. They nice though. And here's another one that is far beyond my pay grade. I think this one was from Velocity Motorsports out. It is from out in Houston. This is what they do. It's clean. I mean, this is a full race car. This ain't no street car. Look at that. Back half, front half. It's clean though. It's clean though. Still got the Coyote rocking with the Twinskies. We are headed out of this joint. Racing is still going on. It's getting hot. It's like, I don't know if you can see that, but it's like 95 degrees. That is too hot for me. But I can tell you this. I love walking the pits, looking at everybody's setup more than I like the racing. If you feel the same way, leave a comment. This your boy. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.